Welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Khanyi Mbau finally responded and rubbished all the rumors about her 15-year-old daughter being pregnant. She said, "I am not one to entertain gossip, especially from any gossip blog. I am never fazed by anything said about me or my family. Sadly, it's been a burden I had to carry for years. Making fun of me has become a franchise. The most hateful, false things have been said about me for over 18 years. It's been so bad that it's taken away from my profession of being an actress and a musician. But one thing I will not allow is my daughter being victimized and abused by rumors started by a woman on TikTok at Big Mama 9410 from an innocent family video posted by Lasizwe. Hate me all you want, but Mbau too is a child. The fact that the first thought that came to all your mind is that a child could be pregnant shows how sick of a society we have all become. No wonder rape, child abduction and abuse has become a norm and why stats are so high. Our children are in danger. The energies we adults put out are vile and disgusting. We shows no faith in them and we don't respect children. No wonder kids are committing suicide. This is a form of a cyberbullying and you are all bullying a child, my child, and this needs to stop." Then you all want to say Ama2K have no respect. How, when you as a grown folk blogs such as Sajik ZA and YouTube blog T-World allow for blogging about children, and all the adults that have jumped on in amusement is disgusting. Come for me, I am in the game. My success has always had all the mad, but lay off my child with this fake news. None of you had perfect bodies at 15. She is going through a puberty and she is a developing young girl. Guys, yeah, as a parent, I really understand Khanyi Mbau's pain and the impact this story might have to her daughter. The T-World was one of the blogs mentioned by Khanyi Mbau, and they have apologized for inconvenience and removed the video. It was a lesson learned to everyone. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.